Good morning. Good morning to you all. Good morning. I hope you are good. So this is the voice of King David Samson. All right. So in our today's today's design challenge, we'll be replicating this design. This design was designed by me. Okay. So we are going to replicate it. So what we want to do is to just start from going to clear everything. Then go to our image size. So I'm going to choose 2200 for the width, right? Then we are going to use 2900 900 using naira 2900 for the height. You understand? You have something like this. So the first thing we want to bring in is our background, right? So now watch closely. I will blend the background with everything, with the background image with the rest. So just watch closely. So I'm going to go to my Pinterest because that's where I got it from. That's where I got it from. Why is this thing delaying now? So I'll just go to my Pinterest and then I'll get it from there. Let me just search through here. Okay. So I believe our night was good though. Yeah, I believe our night was good. Okay, so this is it. This is it. Alright. So I'm going to select it. Then I'm going to increase it like this. Increase it, then increase it width like this. You understand? So we are going to increase it again. So you now have something like this. Let us still reduce it. You now have something like this. Right? You now have something like this. So what you want to do next is to make sure it's in the middle. Yeah, it's positioned well. So what we'll do next is we'll go to our color filter, right? Now we want to make it to something like yellow, so that it will be yellow, you understand? Because the picture we are going to be bringing in is going to be yellow, so you have to sublime with the picture that we are going to bring. Now you understand? So the picture that you are going to be designing, let the clothes, guys, if you made the design also, let the clothes rhyme, let the color rhyme with the background. You understand? It's not that the color will be another thing and then background will be another thing. You get? So just try and make it to be, so the color should rhyme. You get? So I'll go and bring in my pictures. Oh, okay. Sorry for the stress. So I have to be screwing up to get it. Okay, so what I'll do here is let's bring in our background first. This is what we are going to be using. You get? This is what I use. This is what I used. So I'll just put it here like this, and I go to my erase color. Right? Erase color. I'm going to increase this one here, and I'm going to cut it from here like this. You get? I'm going to cut it like this. I'm still going to reduce this one here so that it will not be like too sharp, so that if it's transparent also. So I'll now do something like this. Alright, watch closely. I'll do something like this. Now clean here. Clean this one here. Alright, so that is that for that. Okay, so you just have to clean it. Just have to clean it. You clean it. So let's say you have something like this. Yeah, I'm going to increase it so that it will stay well like this. Right, let us still do something with this cleaning now. Yeah, let us clean this one here. Let's clean this one here. Let's clean it. Alright, so just have to take your time and then clean all these things here. You get? Once you're done cleaning, just select it. You have something like this, right? Then just pin it first. So we're going to bring in our other image. Other image, that is Miss Becky. Okay, so you're going to first bring in this one. Let's bring in this one. Yeah, let's bring in this one here. So our here now should be here. Let's reduce it. I won't be here, right? So once this one is here, let's bring in other ones. Let's bring in other ones. Oh god. So bring in another one. So the first code for today's tutorial, the first code is 4. You get first code is 4. The way to note that down. So you are going to select this one, right? Then just crop it. Crop it like this. Crop it up. Now this is 1, right? You're going to let's just work on this one first. Go to erase color. Sorry, not erase color, eraser. Increase it. Then just clean these down parts. But this chair, clean them. Clean it. So in this part now I go to reduce this. And then I go to do something like this so that it will be transparent, it will not too clean, you understand? So do something like this. Alright. Good. So you have something like this. You have something like this. Bring this out to the front. So now what we want to do is to bring in our other one. Alright, so just understand the whole concept. Because you apply it in your own design. You understand? So this one I is where she's like, let me see. Is this one? So I go to just adjust it like this, right? Then go to our erase, increase it, and then clean these ones here. This time around you reduce this one so that it will not be too much. Then just clean here like this. Yep, you're good to go. So here now you see there's something transparent, right? Instead of looking for shadow to cover that place so that it will not be sharp, you just clean it like this, it will be transparent. Yeah. So this one now, let's work on the color, the saturation. I think this one is good. I think you should work on this photo first before you actually use it, because better the photo should be clear, you understand? So we just put it here, insert to the front, and then position it where you get something like this. And this one's this one, this our flower here, you try and bring it to the front of all these ones here. Sorry, this one have to be in the front. Alright, so you're almost done. Okay. So just continue. I'm going somewhere. Alright, so I'm going to bring in all our image. Let's see what we are doing first. Alright. Okay, so this is it. That's what we are doing. Alright, so this is what we are doing. So that's what we are doing here. Okay, let's put it here. So see this is our background, this is our flower that we pin now. Let's work on it. We'll just bring it to the front, then try and increase it so that just do it like this. Then go to our erase color, increase this one too. Then just erase this one here. Just erase it, and this one too, still erase it. Erase it. You understand? So just erase all these ones here. Erase them. Yeah, so it's actually good now. Second to yeah, this is better now. This is better. So I'm going to take it to the back. No, not to the back. You're just going to click on this woman here, then bring it to the front. Get, yeah. So now next you will do is to bring in the other woman. That is not the same woman, but a different style. So can you believe that I actually got one picture which is of her sitting down, and I was able to use AI to get the other style, her posing style. You see how AI actually helps us in designing. I only got one of her pictures, but then I was able to get other ones. I was able to get other styles like this one that she's standing now. I didn't have it before. It was AI that helped me out with it. It was only this one that I have. So this one now I'm just going to reduce it. Then she's going to just stand here. Alright, she's going to stand here. So once that is done, you just okay. You just have to bring in our shadow and then do some touch. You get, so let's bring in our shadow, of course. That shadow I almost use it in any designs. So you see that is really helping. It's not still working, or what is happening? What is happening? No, let me just do something. Alright, so we go to our shadow. Oh, that is missing photo room. So we go to photo room. Then we get our shadow from there. Okay, so this is it. So now we are going to change the color of this shadow to the one to this her clothes. You understand? So let us just go to pick, and then let's pick the color from our clothes. Yeah, let's pick this color. Yeah, this is okay. Let's make it something deep. Yeah, this is okay. What we do is we're just going to do it like this. We're going to do it like this, like this. Understand? We're going to do something like this. So to do something like this, and I'm going to put it here. I'll do something like this. I'm going to reduce the opacity. I'm going to reduce the opacity. Alright, so that will not be too much. To reduce the opacity. So when that is done, this woman here, bring it to the front. Alright. So now next thing we want to do is to type in our sorry. Okay. Dr. Becky. Let's just type in our Becky NHA first. Alright. Let's type in our Becky NHA. So I'm going to type in our Becky. Increase the size. Put it here. Change the fonts to dating font. Alright, so the second number is 2. Alright, second number is 2. So change it to the dating font, and then we're going to bold it this way. I'm going to change the color to something like this. No, let's leave it this way first. Okay, now we are going to use gradient. You're going to use gradient for this. So go to your color, go to your gradient, click on this, then you see this one here. No, this one here, we're going to bring it like this. This is how I want it to be. Then this black one, select it, click on color, go to pick, then go to our real design. I'm going to select the color, which is this one. Then I go to mark it, and then go to the second one here, go to the design, then select this one again. Yeah, select it. That's okay. So no, you have something like this, but let us reduce it. Let's increase this one. Let's bring it like this. Let's bring it down. Okay, now something like this. No, let's do something about it. Let's do something about it. It's not okay at all. Do something about it. So this one, select this one, and then let's see, increase it. Right, then bring it down here like this. Now yes, let us work with stroke. Let's work with stroke. White stroke. Yeah, let's work with white stroke. Alright, let's work with white stroke. Now this color, let's change the color of the gradient. This down one, this black one, let's just change it to orange. Let's change it to orange. Yes, let's change it to orange. It's in orange now. Let's leave like this. Let's leave this. So we are going to just increase it. To Becky. To increase it, put it here. Let's touch the stroke again. Alright, let's touch the stroke. So we are going to type in our NH. And to increase it. Okay, I'm going to increase it. I'm going to reduce it like this. Reduce it, bring it here like this. Bring this one down. This NH, bring it like this. I'm going to change the color to also the gradient too. Right, or something like this. Then let's touch it with stroke too. Alright, so the font now, you can change the font. You understand? You can change the font. Alright, so the third number is 0. You get the third number is 0. Alright, so we are going to change the font to this. Yeah, this is it. This is the font I used. So just reduce it, make it here. Right, then I'm going to type in our doctor. Alright, so I'm going to change the font to this. This that we used current. Where is it? This. So I'm going to position it well. Okay. Alright. So here, so I'm going to change the color to this gradient too. I'm going to go to the bold and then make it bold, and then you're going to reduce it again. You're going to increase it, sorry, not reduce. So you're going to position it well to see well. Alright, so that is the Dr. Becky. So now what I want to do is to bring in our other resources like the flowers and everything. You get, so you bring in your flowers where you do your decorating that is at the edge and everything. Alright, so I'll go to my photo room. This is my photo room, and then I'll pick the flowers. Alright, so let's go with this. Let's go with this first. Let's do this first. Yeah, let's do this first. So in this place, so the date I was here, right? So just put it here. You get. Then let us also bring our other resources. Our flowers and everything. So okay. Okay, so we're going to bring in this one. Alright, you're going to bring in this one. So you can just play with this. You can just reduce it, put it here. Now the other number, the third number is 0. Yeah, the third number is 0. So you're going to put it here, and then you can also copy, also put it here. Alright, yeah. So you can also bring in your gallery. Go to your gallery, bring in other resources, and then work on this. There's one like that I wanted to use. It's not like I wanted to use. Let's use something like this, right? That's what I'll do here now. That's what I'll do here. To use something like this. Should we? Yes, let's use this. So we're just going to crop it like this, and then we're going to copy it. Once you copy it here, you're going to go to this 3D, right? 3D, and then you're going to turn it like this. You get, so that this one will be here like this, this one will be here like this. You understand? But then you're going to take it to the back of this woman, and also the flower. Understand? So how will you do that? Click on here. You see this one here? Yeah. Bring it down. Bring it down. Here. You see, bar? I'm going to put it on this one here. Okay. So the thing has already gone back, but the flower, it has not gone past the flower. So let us see something about it. This is the flower. It has gone back the flower now. This one too, we are going to select it. Yeah. Yes, I'm going to select this one. Then you're going to bring it down so that it will be under the flower. So now it's okay now. It's okay now. So now what we'll do is to bring in our other ones. We just collect all these things, the flowers, and then decorate them so that it just stand out well. You understand? So that it stand out well. So once you are done, you just save it and then you proceed for edit. You get, proceed for edit. So the fourth number is 0. You get, the fourth number is 0. Alright, so I'll just go to my photo room, and then I'm bringing more resources. Let's bring in this. Let's bring in this. Right, this one now, it will be at the back of Dr. Becky, to be at her back, like somewhere here like this. Now I'm going to go to 3D shape because I want it to be like, I want it to, to be fading also. So I'll just increase the reduce the darkening, then I'll reduce the depth, and then I'll go to opacity, and then I'll reduce it, so to make it like blur. You understand? So that's it. So I'll just put it at the back here. Then I'm going to take it to the back of Dr. Becky sitting down. See it? Now it's at the back. So I'm just going to position it this way so that it will come out. You understand? So that it will come out. So that is that for that. So for the now for this, which is that is 23rd October, and then we're done. Let's work with this. Let's do it this way. Then let's copy this. Let's copy this, and then let's bend this like this. Let's increase the size. Sorry. Let's bend this like this. Let's increase the size. Let's see how you can put it to the back. So you're going to take it to the back. Hold it, bring it down here. So it's at the back now. Alright, so here now I'm just going to write in our text 23rd October. 23rd October. Alright, so I'm just going to put the text here. Change the color to brown. Brown, you're working with brown here. Alright, you're working with brown. Change to brown, reduce the size. Okay, so that is that for that. You're almost done. You're almost done. So what I want to do next is to bring in our shadow effect too. Bring in our shadow effect, and then we'll just put it at the shadow. Like you bring in our shadow effect or our light, and then make it to be in shadow. That will look as if the woman was actually standing on something. Make it look solid. You understand? So the last number is 1. Thank you very much. Do it to note all these codes down and then drop on my DM. Okay, so I'm going to change the color to black. No, I need black. Aha. So I'm going to reduce it. No. So here now I'm going to reduce it. Right. This Mr. Becky, I'm going to take it up small. Then I'm going to bring it to the front. Alright, so this has to be down here. Now, sorry. This flower, I don't want it to be showing like that. You get? Let us erase some parts. Let's erase some part. Let's erase this part here. Yes. So now you cannot put our well. Alright. So now this one, now you go to our 3D. Go to our 3D. And then we're going to do something like this. Here, this one up. So that will lie on the floor. So still make it lie on the floor the more. So this is it. So what we want to do is to go to your opacity and then reduce the opacity. Okay, so I see she's actually standing on something. That is basically everything. And we are already done. We are done, honestly. We are done. So let's see what we are doing though. 23rd October. Okay. Then alright. No problem. So this one we are actually doing it like this. And then I try position it here. And then I'm going to change the fonts. I'm going to change the font to days. Alright, so I'm going to change the font to days. This font is just slow to load. So I'm going to change the font to days. I'm going to position it well. Yeah. And the line spacing, we are going to reduce the line spacing. Right. So you're going to reduce the size. Okay. So then you're going to position it well. Yeah, going to position it well. Alright, so this one now, let's take this to the front. And then this one to the front. Then inner chair. You have to reduce the size of inner chair. Reduce the size. Not too much though. Then you have to reduce the size. Inner chair. So right, so this is actually everything. And then what we want to do next is to bring in no, we are not drawing now. So we bring in this, and then go to our photo room. Alright, so I'm going to bring this picture in. I'm going to bring in this picture. This one here. Yes. So I'm going to bring in this picture. Let's just use it this way, please. So you're going to bring in this one. That is the one I see that actually is. Let's go to Facebook. I actually saw on Facebook, and I just saved the image, the photo, and then I now used it to design. I used to get other ones. So this is, let me show you. So let me show you. Where is it? Okay, can't find it. Can't find it here. Let's just check it in this photo here. Alright, let's check it here. So I saw it here one time, sure. So this is it. This is a photo here. Alright, this is it. So this is where I actually got the background from, and then pictures. You understand? So what I'll do here is I'm just going to reduce it. I'm going to rotate it and change it like this. And I see I actually try and extend it a little bit and increase the size so that you feel the shape you get. So I'm going to reduce the size like this. Alright, so it might not be perfect though, but then just try and do something. You just try and do something. Understand? Alright, so you get it. So what you do, you are just going to merge them together. This one and this one. You merge them together. Once you merge them together, you make it small and then you position it well in the right place. You understand? So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's very, very important too. Very, very important. Don't forget to like, subscribe too. You get. So you just let us just put it here. Sorry, this time around because that place is no actual no space like that. So here there's this space, so you can just put it here. Alright, you can just put it here. Then you can just rotate it like this. Okay, you can just put it here, and then once you are done, you can just type in your design name and then put it down or up. You can just put it down or up. So that's just that. That's basically everything. So you just have to understand the whole concept, and then you can apply it. You get understand the whole concept, and then you apply it. So then you can write our text, type this and that, and then we are done. So just add +1, and then we are done. So I change the fonts to this. So now I'll show you how you actually blend all these things to actually blend with the clothes. You understand? So I'm just going to take it straight up to Lightroom, so that I'll show you the tricks there. You get? I'll show you the tricks there. So let's just finish with this. Let's finish with this, and then bring it down here, and then increase the size. So you can put your design name. Yes, but don't forget to put in the day 10 design flyer first before you post your own, because it's not your work. You have to acknowledge the person that actually did the work. You understand? So let us just save the project. Let's save it. I'll send it to actual image, so in case you want to add anything, you can add it. You understand? But let us just save it now and then go straight to our Lightroom. You get? Alright, so that is basically everything. We're going to our Lightroom, and yeah, that's where the magic happens. Yeah, that's where the magic happens. Okay, why is it delaying to save now? Alright, so it's saved. So we are going to our Lightroom. Alright, go to our Lightroom. Okay, so yeah, just have to be consistent in doing this. You get, just watch the video. You can download the video. You understand? You can download it and watch it later. You can download it. Yes. So you can see the tricks that we can actually make image to be transparent even without putting all those shadow effects and all of that. I believe we actually learned some things, and it's just wow that we actually used Pixel Lab in creating these amazing designs. Like this one is so small. So there are also designs that you create that can create mad designs that are created using Pixel Lab just with your phone. No? So it's not a mod that you must have laptop before you actually start designing. You get. It does do make sure you are consistent in doing this, in designing. Be consistent in this. And this watching of video and getting codes is the discipline. Just obey the tasks. I know what I'm doing. You get. So just follow. Once you watch the video, get the codes, paste it in my DM. Then I will give you the resources. You understand? You get. So you don't see it as a stress. It's not a stress. You get. It's not a stress. I'm not doing it to stress you. It's for your own good too. You get, for your own good too. So don't forget to also like and comment. Also share too. You get. Also share. Alright, so I go to our Pixel Lab here. Now watch what I'll do here. You know the just watch what I'll do here. Click on this edit. Click on here. No. Click on the edit. Click on light. Click on auto. Right. So now we're going to click on this exposure. Alright. So now go to this shadow here. Use the shadow. Right. So you're going to this color. See what I'll do here now. This color. Take it to. You do the temperature small. Right, come to this grading here, then click on this one here, this yellow one here, then increase this luminance, and then this blending, increase it to 80. Okay, no, to 75. That's it. Let's leave it like this. Then this one increase it like this to 31. You get. So you have this. Just click on done. So you can see the difference. See the before, see the after. So now we are not done. Oh. We are not done. So this texture, we're going to increase the texture. Then we're going to come to these details. The amount, we're going to increase the amount. The details, right? So now you come to this preset. This one here. You're going to vivid. Vivid. I'm not going to use much vivid, just a little bit. Oh, we shouldn't use vivid at all, sir. Let's just leave it the way it is. Yeah. See, we are good with this. We are good with this. So the exposure, let's add exposure to it. Okay, let's add exposure to it. So that is everything. That's everything. So and again, please don't forget, this thing here should not be here. You understand? As a designer, do not make it look like this. You get. I didn't pay attention to this, but you should pay attention to this. You get. So in order to not in order to like not to do something like this, you can just use your eraser to just make it to be transparent, to just like clear that edge, don't make it cycle. You understand? Or you can just put cycle shape, then maybe type chess, or just do something that it won't be this obvious that it's actually cut here. So we are done with the design. We are just going to save it. You understand? I'm just going to save. So that's how we actually achieved this design. You understand? So it's not difficult. More. I actually spent a lot of time in designing this that I actually designed now in just minutes in it. So then it took me time. I tried, I retried, I just try and put in some things, but then I was able to achieve something like this. You get, I was able to achieve something like this. So then you can also achieve this even better than this. You get. So this is our design. See the before, right?